Chapter 1, Shlokas 33 till 39. First we'll see 33 and 34. Esha marte kangshitam no rajyam bhoga sukani cha taime vastita yuddhe pranam stektva dhanani cha acharyav pitarav putras tataiva cha pitamaha matula shvashurav pautra shala sambandhinastatha. Arjuna goes on to say, Rajyam Bhoga Sukani, this kingdom and material comforts, Esha Marte Kangshitam, for whose purpose it is desired, Naha, by us, Taime Vastita, Teime Avastitaha Yuddhe. They are present right here in this war. Pranam stektva dhanani cha, pranan tektva. Ready to give up their life and dhanani, wealth. So all those people, Arjuna is again saying, the relatives who are present, Sambandhinastata, and all the relations. So all the relatives with whom you would want to enjoy and share your kingdom and wealth, they are right here present, ready to give up their life and wealth. So that's what Arjuna says. Next, Shloka 35. Eta nahantumichami gnatopi madhusudana api trailokya rajyasya hetu kimnu mahi krite. Etan nahantum ichami. I do not want to kill my relatives. So, etan nahantum. So, I don't want to kill them. Gnatopi madhusudana. He Madhusudana, He Krishna, Gnatopi, Gnataha api. Even if we are killed, I do not want to kill my relatives. Api Trailokya Rajyasya Heto Kimnu Mahi Krite. Trailokya Rajyasya Hetoho. Even for getting rulership in the three worlds, I would not want to kill my relatives. Kim nu mahi krite, why then would I want to do it just for getting rulership in this kingdom on earth? Shloka 36. Nihatyadartha rashtrana kapriti syajjanardana papamevashraye dasman hatvaitana tatayinah. Nihatya Dhartarashtran, killing these sons of Dhritarashtra, Naha ka priti syat, syat Janardana, we have to split it as syat Janardana. So, He Janardana, He Krishna, Naha ka priti syat. For us, what happiness will come by killing the sons of Dhritarashtra? Papamevashraye dasman hatvaitana tatayinah. Papamevashraye dasman. We have to split it as Papam eva ashrayet asman. Hatvaitana tatayinah has to be split as Hatva etan atatayinah. So atatayinah means those who are desperate to have this war. So etan, so these people who are desperate for war, hatva, killing them, papameva asman ashrayet. To us, papam only will come. Sin will come to us. Shloka 37. Tasman narha vayam hantum dhartarashtran swabhandavan swajanam hi katam hatva sukinasyama madhava. Tasman narha, we have to see it as tasmat na arhah vayam hantum. Tasmat, from that reason, Therefore, Swabandhavan Dhartarashtran Vayam Hantum Na Arhaha. Arhaha means qualified. So, killing the sons of Dhritarashtra, who are our own relatives, Vayam Hantum Na Arhaha. So, we are not qualified to kill our own relatives, the sons of Dhritarashtra. Swajanam hi katam hatva sukinasyama Madhava. He Madhava, he Krishna, Swajanam hatva, killing your own men, katam sukinasyama, katam, how can we be happy? Shloka 38 and 39 has to be seen together. Yadyapetena pashyanti lobopahata chetasah kulakshayakritam dosham mitradrohe cha patakam katam nagyeyamasmabhih papadasman nivartitum kulakshayakritam dosham prapashyadbhir janardana. Yadyapete, yadyapi ete na pashyanti. So ete, whom is Arjuna referring to? He is referring to the Kauravas. Ete na pashyanti. They are not able to see lobopahata chetasaha. So the Kauravas, lobopahata chetasaha. So their mind has been taken away by what? By loba, greed. So these Kauravas, their mind taken away by greed, are not able to see kulakshayakritam dosham, the dosha arising out of killing an entire race. Kulakshayakritam dosham, they are not able to see that. Mitradrohe cha patakam, patakam meaning sin, in mitradrohe, in cheating your own friends and relatives. Katam nagyeyam asmabhih papadasman nivartitum kulakshayakritam dosham prapashyadbhir janardana. He Janardana, he Krishna, prapashyadbhihi, meaning by seeing kulakshayakritam dosham, by seeing the dosha coming out of wiping out an entire race, asmabhihi katam na gneyam. By us, why it should not be known? Papadasman nivartitum has to be split as papat asmat nivartitum. So from this papa, asmat papat nivartitum, to resolve or get out of. So in this shloka 38 and 39, Arjuna is saying, leave apart the Kauravas. They are not able to see the sin arising out of killing an entire race and cheating your own friends and relatives, because their mind has been taken away by greed. But what about us? We are able to see this dosha. So why should we not know to get out of this situation? And asmat papat nivartitum, to get out of committing this papa. Why should we not know? That's what Arjuna says to Krishna.